congratulations sa newly elected and re-elected officer na Guardian Sandigan first cluster in Multicatili, Torre. So, nakikita nyo na last time candidate pero ako naka-right time obligado kasi ang rule sa GEM is kahit sa kayo magpunta kailangan dala namin yung GEM worldwide na. So, it's about so, mag-contain tayo. Follow after me, repeat after me, and state your positions. Please raise your right hand. I state your name. After having been duly elected to the position of the guardians emigrant Cluster Legions International Incorporated in Multicatili, Torre, subscribing to its constitution and bylaws, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant brotherhood Philippine civic organization. I do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times its constitutions and bylaws, as well as all its laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by it. And I shall consciously uphold at all times the guardian's delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with the Confederation, my branch, legion,